electric car with 8 gears? That's Porsche eShift, a virtual gearbox for the Taycan, engineered to make real feedback truly come alive. It's based on the Porsche dual clutch transmission, PDK. Its gear characteristics have been transferred to the electric motor, with 8 virtual gears, including authentic gear ratio characteristics. eShift is activated via a dedicated mode switch on the steering wheel. The instrument cluster displays virtual RPM, gear position and shift points, precisely visualized in real time. Using the rotary ring on the steering wheel, the driver selects the mode, either automatic or fully manual. Brief manual intervention via the paddles is possible at any time. Feedback is present even at a standstill. A virtual idle RPM of 700 in normal mode, 850 in Sport, and 1000 in Sport Plus. While driving, gear changes follow a clearly defined shift strategy. Gear selection directly influences acceleration, sound, and driving character. The shift kick is physically perceptible. It isn't generated mechanically, but through a targeted, highly dynamic torque intervention by the electric motor. In manual mode, a hard rev limiter kicks in at 7,500 revolutions per minute. Intervention via the electric motor with simulated ignition cuts. The sound is based on the Porsche Electric Sport Sound. It isn't played back, but calculated in real time from virtual RPM, torque and vehicle speed. eShift connects every dimension of the driving experience. Hearing, feeling, seeing, everything works in sync, without delay. The result? An electric vehicle with genuine feedback. Porsche eShift. Electric, without compromise on driving feel.